An object 6 centimeter high is placed in front of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Calculate the position and nature of the image and also its size when the ray pass from the parallel to the principal axis will pass from focus other optical center, they will diverge. When we draw these lines backward, they meet. Position of the image will be behind the focus. F equal to 20 centimeter, U 10 centimeter, H O 6 centimeter. Find HI. So we have to first find the formula is 1 upon F equal to 1 upon B minus 1 upon U. Lens formula 1 upon 20 equal to 1 upon B minus 1 upon minus 10, 1 upon 20, 1 upon V plus 1 upon 10, 1 upon V equal to 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 10. This is 21 minus 2 minus 1 by 20. V equal to minus 20 centimeter. Now HI upon HO equal to V upon U. HI we have to find HO6. D is minus 20 minus 10U. 2 times HI equal to 6 multiplied 2, 12 centimeter will be height of the image. Now the positions are changing of the object, different conditions image will be formed. These are the 6 cases in which the image will form. Now these are 5 different positions. The object is placed in front of the lens. Second position is focus. First between focus and optical center. Third is between F and 2F. This is 2F object is placed and the object is placed beyond 2F. Here object is placed infinity. In all these cases the height of the object is 6 centimeter and focal length is 20 centimeter. To find the height of the image, nature of the image and position of image in each of the ray diagram. Also complete ray diagram of the convex lens.